G'day, Daniel. How are you? Excellent question. How do we deal with fractions and decimals? Let's just have a look at why I haven't arrived at the correct answer. Clearly, um, if we look back and look at some of your steps and try to see if we can identify that. So the first thing we need to do is, I'm just guessing that the original question was x minus 1 equals negative 9. Well, actually, no, negative a half. That's why you got distracted by that negative a half. So you thought, oh, I know, I'll multiply it by 2. And so you went minus a half times by 2. Then you realize that I need to do the 9 by 2. So you did that, but guess what? You see what happened? Yes, you forgot to multiply the x by 2. In other words, everything had to be multiplied by 2. So technically speaking, what we have now is 2x. So we fixed that one of the mistakes. There's the minus 18, and here was the other. What's 2 times negative a half? Negative 1. And here you had positive 1. So to get x by itself, the first step we have to do is, of course, get rid of the minus 1. So we plus 1 to both sides. We end up with 2x equals minus 17. Divide that by 2, and you get your x equals minus 8. And there you are, all done. Right. Okay. How do I work with fractions? Let's go back to what you actually did. Here we had x minus a half. And I suppose the mistake that you made was you focused on the fraction. What should we be focusing on? Remember, it is a linear equation where we're trying to solve for x. That's right. We're supposed to try and uh, get x by itself. So if I go x by itself, in other words, x minus a half equals minus 9. Is x by itself? No, at the moment it's subtracted by negative a half. Let's just do that. We need to undo minus a half. So how do we do that? Exactly. We add a half. What I do to one side, I do to the other. And here we have x equals minus 8.5. Hopefully that answers your questions. Yes, your initial step of, if I was working with decimals, a fraction, yeah, multiply by the denominator, whether it be 10, 2, 100, but clearly stay focused and focus on the pronumeral x. Hopefully that helps you. Cheers.